crazy. One of the two. If you're right, I'm crazy. If you're wrong, you are crazy, not me. So one of us is right, one of us is wrong. How do you prove the Torah is from God? How long does it take to prove that a person cannot write the book of the Torah? Maximum, how long? If a person is smart, 5 minutes. If the person is very, very foolish, stupid, 2, 3, 4 hours, 5 hours the most. Why? Why is it? Why is it? Because we begin to see things in the Torah that we find that a person was unable to write it. The number of the stars in the world. A person knows the number of the stars? There's no NASA yet. The renewal of the moon. A person knows the renewal of the moon? How does he know the renewal of the moon? The cycles of the moon from the creation of the world until the end, it will never be less than 29.530590. Never. What kind of person was able to write such a thing in the Torah? If the Torah tell you everything is kosher in the ocean, has to have fins and scales. If you found something that has scales and did not have fins, that's the first mistake in the Torah. That means it's not from God. But as long as we check already 3,300 years, nobody ever found something like that. And many other examples in the Torah. Nobody ever found something like this ever in the world. The Torah say the Kotel HaMa'aravi, the Western world, will never fall, never collapse. You want to prove the Torah is not from God? Make the wall fall, and here you go, the first mistake in the Torah. What person will write in a book, the Western world will never fall down? Do you know a person can write such a thing? Imagine a person tells you right now, you see this building? This side of the building can break. The other side can break, the other side can break. One side can never break down. Thank you. One side can never break down. So you tell the person, how can it be? This side, and that side would fall down, and this side will never fall down? How can it be? So the person say, if this side fall down, the whole Torah is cancelled. Chas v'shalom. No Yom Kippur, no Shabbat, no Tefillin, no kosher food, no nothing. Do you know a person can promise such a thing? What person can write in a book, this wall will never fall down? Huh? Thank you. Which person can say such a thing? More questions, please.